Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist. In this class, we are creating Christmas tree with ornaments, lights, and some snow. For this class, previous experience in Blender isn't needed. You just need to download Blender, install, and you're ready to begin. We start from splash screen, and I will explain everything. This class will help you understand how to move around scene easily. You will get the chance to practice arranging those ornaments around. You will understand how to add real snow to objects on your scene, how to adjust that amount, how to remove snow if you don't like the amount and you want to change, how to create one interesting environment for, in this case, Christmas, how to set the lights, how to create blinking lights on your Christmas tree, and how to then render that as images or animations and use in whichever way you prefer. This class will also bring you confidence and some more practice and more experience you can further use in more complex projects, and you will understand how to use particles, how to change curves to mesh, what happens if you increase number of particles, what if you decrease, what all ways you can use those particles, how to change particles and use objects, how to use light as particles, and many other things that will help you further in your 3D designs and animation to understand how heavy is certain animation for rendering, how much it will burden your machine, and what all you can do to reduce that and to make that time shorter. Let's begin.